Now we come to the last session 15. Now we're going to prove a fundamental theorem of homomorphism. What is the fundamental theorem of homomorphism? The statements. Let F be a homomorphism of a ring R at a ring R dash with the kernel K. Then F of R is a homomorphic to factor ring R over K. Again, as state, F be a homomorphism of a ring R to R dash, R into R dash. It is a homomorphism of ring R into R dash with the kernel means f of r goes to 0 dash in R dash, f with kernel. Then f of r is a homomorphic to factor ring R over K. What's our R over K is form elements K plus X, a K plus X, or X plus K, Y plus K is an element of R over K, is element of the form R over K. Yes. Now we go for proof. Since F is a mapping from R to R dash, F is a mapping from R to R dash is a homomorphism. F of R is a subring of R dash. F of R is a subring of R dash. Hence the ring itself is a ring itself. Okay, there is one way you are by using homomorphism is a subring form. So first make a mapping, one more mapping. Say pi is a mapping from R over K to F of R. Pi is a mapping from R over K to pi dash. So what is the element of the form R over K? R over K is an element X plus K, Y plus K form. So associations pi of X plus K association is equal to F of X. F of X. Here X plus K is an element of R over I. F of X is an element of R dash. X plus K is an element of R over I. F of X is an element of R dash. Now come to that. First we choose pi is well defined. What is pi is well defined? So to show that pi is independent of choice of the representations. For well defined, X plus K equal to Y plus K. What is X plus K equal to Y plus K? Is a subring. We can write X minus Y belongs to K. X minus Y belongs to K. X minus Y is in K. K. Where K is an element of K. K is an element of K. For F of X is, we can write F of X, we can write F of Y plus K equal to F of Y plus F of K. So F of Y plus K is a homomorphism. F of K is 0 plus F of Y. So F of X is equal to F of Y. F of X is equal to F of Y is well defined. So pi of X plus K equal to F of X is equal to F of Y is equal to pi of Y. Pi of Y plus K. Pi of, if pi of X plus K we write is F of X. F of X equal to F of Y is pi of Y plus K. C is say mapping. So F of X we can write F of Y plus K. Therefore F of K plus F of Y. F of K is 0. We say that F of Y. So F of Y 0 plus F of Y is F of Y. So F of X is equal to F of Y. F of X means pi of X plus K. F of Y means pi of Y plus K. So F of pi of X plus K equal to pi of Y plus K. Now we come to the pi is 1 1. So pi is 1 1. Pi of X plus K is equal to pi of Y plus K. Pi of X plus K equal to pi of Y plus K. Simply say F of X is equal to F of Y. But F of X equal to F of Y is a subring. Simply say F of Y minus, F of X minus F of Y, so equal to 0. So suddenly F of Y, X minus Y equal to 0. Simply say X minus Y belongs to K. This implies X plus K equal to Y plus K. See, F of X minus Y equal to 0. This implies X minus Y belongs to K. Means X plus K equal to Y plus K. So then this is 1 1. So we come to the next one. If pi is onto, what's onto form? Choose an elements in F of R form, that side. So pi is a mapping from R over I to F of R. Now we are choosing elements in f of r. So let r dash be an elements of f of r. R dash be an elements of f of r be arbitrary. Therefore, r dash be elements of r dash means suddenly r in r. Elements are in R. So f of r is equal to r dash. F of r is equal to r dash. Therefore, there exists r plus k belongs to r over k. So element of the form r plus k is an element of r over k, such that pi of r plus k is equal to f of r. What is f of r is r dash. Pi of r plus k is equal to f of r. F of r is r dash. Therefore, pi is onto. So is 1 1 and onto. We come to the f, pi is homomorphism. What is homomorphism condition? We know the mapping. F is a mapping from r over k to r dash. Suppose if you take f, r over k is an element of x plus k. X plus k. So homomorphism plus pi of y plus k. Pi of x plus k plus pi of y plus k. Suddenly is additions. What is addition is form? Addition is form pi of x plus y plus k. Pi of x plus y plus pi of x plus y, we can write f of x plus f of y. F of x plus f of y. So what's f of x is pi of x plus k. What's f of y means pi of y plus k. So homomorphism n. So again pi of x plus k into y plus k. What is pi of x plus k into y plus k? Pi of xy plus k. Pi of xy plus. What is pi of xy plus k can written f of xy. What is f of x? F is homomorphism. We can write f of x into f of y. Pi is homomorphism. We can write f of xy, f of x into f of y. What is f of x into f of y? Pi of x plus k into pi of y plus k. So suddenly this f is a homomorphism. So thus pi is a homomorphism, hence f of r equal to r over k. Pi is homomorphism, f of r is equal to r over k. Next we are using the same we state other statement, state form. Fundamental theorem of homomorphism of a ring. Every homomorphic image of a ring R is isomorphic to some residue class ring. Therefore, residue class ring. Let R be a ring. Homomorphic image of R dash. Let R be a ring. Suppose we take R dash. R dash is a homomorphic image of R. Homomorphic image of a ring R. F is a corresponding mapping from R to R dash. F is a mapping from R to R dash means F is a corresponding homomorphism. Then F is a homomorphism from ring R to and onto R dash. Let S is a kernel. S be a kernel of this homomorphism. Then S is an ideal of R. In the previous theorem is S is an ideal of R. Therefore, R over S, again R over S is a ring of residue classes of R relative to S. This R over S is a residue class of ring related to S. You shall prove that R over S isomorphic to R dash. R over S is isomorphic to R dash. So R over S, what's an element of the form? S plus A and S plus B form. What is R over S is form? Is an element of the form S plus A, S plus B form. First, f of A is an element of R dash. F of A is an element in R dash. Now consider the mapping. Pi is a mapping from R over S to R dash. Pi is a mapping from R over S to R dash. So take pi of S plus A. What is pi of S plus A? Is f of k. For all A belongs to R. Now we solve problem. So pi is well defined. What is pi is defined? Suppose if we take A comma B is an element of R, then S plus A is equal to S plus B. A comma B is an element of R, then S plus A equal to S plus B. So pi of S plus A equal to pi of S plus B. So what is the mapping? So S plus A equal to S plus B. So this means it's a subring A minus B belongs to S. A minus B belongs to S. F of A minus B is equal to 0 dash because a kernel f of A minus B in a 0 dash. What is f of A minus B in 0 dash? You can write f of A plus minus B. So f of A plus of f of minus B, we can write f of A plus f minus f of B. What is f of A is a kernel 0 dash minus 0 dash. Suddenly it says 0, 0. So therefore f of A plus f of minus B, we write f is a 0 dash, is a 0 dash, f of A plus f of minus B. We can write f of A is equal to f of B. What is f of A is equal to f of B? Is a pi of S plus A is equal to pi of S plus B. This is kernel equal to 0 dash. So f of A plus f of minus B equal to 0 dash. We can write f of A minus f of B is equal to 0, means f of A is equal to f of B. What is f of A is equal to f of B? Pi of S plus A is equal to pi of S plus B. So pi is well defined. Now come to the 1 1. What is 1 1 form? 1 1. Pi is 1 1. Pi of S plus A equal to pi of S plus B. So pi is f of A equal to f of B. F of A equal to f of B means f of A minus f of B equal to 0 dash. So A minus B in S. Suddenly S plus A equal to S plus B. See. So therefore pi is 1. We come to the pi is R2. So choose an element in R dash. Choose element in R dash. Suppose let y is an element of R dash. Y is an element in R dash. Then y is equal to f of A. Y is equal to f of A for some A belongs to R. Yes, because f is onto R dash. F is onto R dash. So S plus A is an element of R over S. S plus A is an element of R over S. Then we have pi of S plus A is equal to f of A is equal to y. Therefore pi is onto R dash. So finally we come to that. So pi is homomorphism. Pi of S plus A plus S plus B. So equal to pi of A plus B plus of S. So A pi of S plus A means f of A plus B. What is f of A plus B? F is homomorphism. F of A plus f of B. What is f of A plus f of B? F of A is pi of A plus B. What is f of B? Pi of S plus B. F of A plus f of B. F of A is pi of S plus A. What is f of B? Pi of S plus B. So we come to the also pi of S plus A into S plus B. So pi of S in S plus AB. So what is we can write f of AB. Pi of S plus AB we can write f of AB. So f of A we can written as f of A into f of B. What is f of A is pi of S plus A. What is f of B is pi of S plus B. Pi of S plus. Therefore pi is isomorphism of R over S unto R dash. Hence R over S isomorphic to R over S is isomorphic to R dash. This is a simple theorem. That is simple theorem is regarding to fundamental theorem of homomorphism in the ideal form, also homomorphic images form.